Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second method, what is it? Elimination by substitution, or yeah, what is it? Elimination by equating the coefficient.
Equating coefficient.
Equating the coefficients. Okay, let us take a second example. Second example is x plus y is equal to 3.3. Okay, keep it as it is. Don't try to convert. Let's see what the second equation is. 0.6 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to -1. Okay, this is the second equation. Can you solve directly like this? Do you think can you solve it like this?
No, sir.
No, you cannot. So what you have to do first of all, what would be the first step? Can you tell me? क्या करना पड़ेगा पहले? सेकंड इक्वेशन बराबर है क्या ये? Is it in proper shape, proper
No,
format?
No.
No, sir.
No, then what you have to do is cross multiply. Okay, what you have to do, cross multiply. Okay, so we'll say simplifying equation 2. Okay, what do you get? 0.6 is equal to, just simply cross multiply, -1 into bracket 3s minus 2y. So you get 0.6 is equal to minus 3x plus 2y. Okay, or you can say 3x, okay, 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 0.6. Okay, isko equation 2 bolo. Okay, I just have rearranged the terms. I have taken this to the left hand side, I have taken 0.6 to the right hand side. Okay, this is what we have done. Now, do you think that if I make y coefficient, please see here. See, the coefficient of y in equation 1 is +1 and coefficient of y in equation 2 is -2. See, whenever the coefficients have different sign, काय बोलतोय फार महत्वाचं आहे. Whenever the coefficients have different signs, you can add them. There is no need to subtract. This is a very plus, a very big point. So if I have to make the y coefficients equal, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? काय करायला लागेल? मला y कोएफिशिएंट सेम करायचे या आणि या इक्वेशन मध्ये. काय करायला लागेल?
Sir, multiply by 2 for first equation.
करेक्ट, व्हेरी गुड. मग लिहूया आपण मल्टिप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 2 to get, what do you get? काय मिळेल तुम्हाला? 2 into x plus 2 into y is equal to 2 into 3.3, right? So this means you get 2x plus 2y is equal to 6.6. इसको हम इक्वेशन 3 बोलते हैं. Now you can add equation 2 and 3. तुम्हाला समजते का काय चाललंय? इक्वेशन 2 आणि 3 तुम्ही फक्त ऍड करायचंय. म्हणजे now adding equation 2 and equation 3 to get काय मिळेल मी इथे लिहितो. I have a space. What do we get? बोला. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 0.6. When you add, you don't have to change the signs. This is the plus point. Okay, plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 6.6. Okay, so 2y will get cancelled. Plus minus, same sign, cancelled. 3x plus 2x will be 5x. And minus 0.6 plus 6.6 is 6.0. Are you getting my point? समजते का काय चाललंय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you get x is equal to 6 upon 5 or x is equal to 1 integer 1 upon 5. Okay, however you want to write, or you can write 1.2 also. Okay, you can say or x is equal to 1.2. That is also possible, because In the equation itself, they have given decimals. All right. Then what you have to do? Once you get the value of variable x, what is the next step you have to do? You have to take
And
that
y.
variable x. You have to take the value of that variable x, correct? And then you have to substitute it. You have to substitute it in any one of the equations, either 1 or 2. Don't take 3 because 3 is the modified equation of equation 1. 3 is not a different equation. Okay. 3 is the modified equation from equation 1. Okay. So इथपर्यंत झाले लिहून? Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now लिहा. Tell me which will be easier, using equation
Sir,
1
1.
or 2. What is easier?
1.
1.
Yeah, 1 is easier. Coefficientच नाही आहे त्याला, म्हणजे 1 आहे. Coefficient is 1, right? So 1 is easier. So लिहा. Put x is equal to 1.2 in equation 1 to get 1.2 plus y is equal to x plus y is 3.3. Now, so 1.2 plus y is equal to 3.3. This implies y is equal to 3.3 minus 1.2. Therefore, y is equal to
2.1.
2.1. That's it. हो गया, आंसर मिल गया. आंसर लिखो. The solution is, okay. Did you remember we had decimals last time and I said don't use decimals because they create problem and we divide by 10. Do you remember that? Then we had LCM 10 and we solved it. See, why did we do that? In that case, we were using substitution method. Okay, when you are using substitution method, that way is better. Okay, don't use decimals. But here, if the decimals are small and if you are using this method, by elimination, then it is not a problem. And moreover, when you use that, when the coefficients are also in decimal, do you think the coefficients here are in decimal? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you use that method divided by 10 or divided by 100 when the decimals are also when the coefficients are also in decimals. Okay, that is the case you have to remember. All right, anyways, so yeah, the solution is x is equal to 1.2 and y is equal to 2.1. Okay, very important type. Okay, very important type. Okay, I'll write the problem. 65x minus 33y is equal to 97 and 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. So here, if you observe the coefficients, correct, the signs are same here. Okay, the sign of the y variable or the coefficients are same. The only the thing is the numerals are swapped. Okay, so this is a special kind of problem. Okay, this is a special kind of problem in which you cannot directly equate the coefficient. You cannot say, I mean, you can, but that will be a very difficult thing. See, what will be your understanding? Okay, चलो, इक्वेशन 1 को 33 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और इक्वेशन 2 को 65 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अरे कितना बड़ा आंसर आने वाला है ये. Do you imagine 65 into 65 का स्क्वायर आएगा, right? 33 into 65. These are going to be big numbers. I mean, you can do this. You can solve this using this method. Okay, equating the coefficient method. But I'm going to show you a trick. Okay, you have to do one more step, but the answers will be very easy. Okay, so in such case, what you have to do, step 1, please pay attention. Step 1, add both the equations. Add both the equations and get equation 3. Okay, let's see add करने से क्या होता है. So 65x minus 33y is equal to 97. This is equation 1 plus 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. Correct? बोलो add करके क्या मिलेगा? 65 plus 33 is how much? How much?
98.
98 माइनस 98y बराबर ना, दोनों माइनस है मतलब ऐड ही होने वाला है, साइन विल बी नेगेटिव, इज इक्वल टू 98. Can I take 98 common? Of course, dividing both
Yes,
sides
sir.
by 98, this means x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 3. So what do you get? You simply get x minus y is equal to 1. Very easy. Okay. Now in step 2, what do you do? Subtracting equations. Okay. Subtracting. Okay. Equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 2 from equation 1. ठीक है, subtract करके देखते हैं. So therefore you get 65. When you are subtracting, just be careful. 65x minus 33y is equal to 97. This is equation 1. Minus 33x minus 65y is equal to 1. When you subtract, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So 65 minus 33x is 32x, right? 33y plus 65y. 33y plus 65y is how much?
32y.
32y plus or minus? Plus.
Plus.
Plus, yeah. Plus 32y is equal to 97 minus 1. 97 minus 1. 96.
6.
Correct. Now, if you divide both sides by 32, सब साइड को, दोनों साइड को 32 से डिवाइड किया, कितना मिलेगा? x plus y is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. यहाँ पे एक लिखो to get equation 4. Okay. Call this equation 4. So basically now you can see, अरे बहुत easy हो गया ये. x minus y, x plus y. When you add them, y will get cancelled. Are you getting this? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
In
sir.
equation 3, you have coefficient of y as minus 1, and in equation 4, you have coefficient of y as plus 1. If you add them, y will vanish, y will get cancelled. Okay, so please write down up to here, then I'll have to go to the next page.
Hello, sir.
हो गया.
Now we'll say, now adding equation 3 and equation 4, we get, बोलो, x minus y is 1, ये तो equation 1 था, and x plus y is 3, right? X plus y is 3, correct? This is equation 4. So when you add, you don't have to worry about the signs. Y will get cancelled. X plus x, 2x, 1 plus 3, 4. So x will be 4 upon 2. This means x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. You can put this in any one of the equations you want. I would suggest to put it in equation 4. Dekho, put x is equal to 2 in equation 4 to get, क्या मिलेगा? 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2. So y is equal to 1. So write down the answer. The solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Got it? Okay, please pay attention. What is the standard form? Standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do the equations, do you see the equations in standard form or not? No. Are they in standard form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, Malya, step 1 here. First, bring the equations in the standard form. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. बघा इकडे काय केलं मी? I have just taken 2y here and I have written 9x minus 2y is equal to 13. 13 तिथेच लिहिला. I just changed the places. Okay, 9x minus 2y मैंने पहले लिखा. Okay, you need to understand this at this level at least. So this is our equation 1. What about this? 7x minus 3y is equal to 0. Do you see a constant term in the second equation? No, right? So there is no constant term. All right, no problem. So यहाँ पे हमको इज इक्वल टू लिखना है, ठीक है? मतलब क्या लिखना है? प्लस सी जो होता है ना, उसके बजाय हमने क्या सीखा था कि ax प्लस बी वाई इज इक्वल टू सी, ऐसे लिखना है। ओके, इक्वल टू के बाद में कांस्टेंट टर्म लिखना है। ओके, करेक्ट? इज दैट राइट? ओके, so done, this is done. Now tell me, we have to equate the coefficient. For which coefficient it is easier to equate x or y? x का कोएफिशिएंट इक्वेट करना इजी है क्या, y का कोएफिशिएंट इक्वेट करना इजी है?
Y.
एब्सोल्युटली y का, एंड बोथ हैव नेगेटिव साइन, सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट। समझ में आ रहा है? इफ बोथ हैव सेम साइन, if at all you do for x, you have to subtract because both have positive sign. So you have to remember that if both have negative sign, you have to subtract. So anyways, so likho step 2, multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What do you get? 3 into 9x minus 3 into 2y is equal to 3 into 13. इसका मतलब क्या क्या मिलेगा? 27x minus 6y is equal to 39. Call this equation 3. Okay, similarly, okay, here we have to multiply by 2. So 2 into 7x minus 2 into 3y is equal to 2 into 0. Okay, that means 14x minus 6y is equal to 0. Call this equation 4. Okay, let me know when you are done till this point. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get, okay, what is equation 3? 27x minus 6y is equal to 39. Minus, right, here we are going to subtract 14x minus 6y. 14x minus 6y is equal to 0. Again be careful, when you subtract the signs change, equation 4 के signs change हो जाएंगे। 14x is plus, it will become minus, minus 6y it will become plus, 0 is 0, so you don't have to change the sign. Okay, 0 has no sign. Okay, so don't change it. So we have 27x minus 14x is 13x, 6y will get cancelled and you get 39. So you get x is equal to 39 upon 13. This means x is equal to 3. Okay, once you get x is equal to 3, you have to use the original equation. I think you should equate it to second equation. 3y is equal to 7x. Okay, put x is equal to 3 in, 3y is equal to 7x. So we have 3y is equal to 7 into 3, right? So y is equal to 7 into 3 upon 3, 3 cancel, so y will be 7. Write down the answer. The solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. Okay, there are two ways. I'll show you both the ways quickly. So we have 5y upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 8. Correct? And then we have y upon 2 plus 5x upon 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Okay, I'll show you first method. Please be careful. First method. सगळ्यांनी इकडे बघा, नंतर लिहा. Okay, in equation 1 and equation 2, we can cross multiply and bring it in standard form. So simplifying equation 1 to get क्या मिलेगा बोलो ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो ना, 5y into 3 minus 2 into x upon 2 into 3 is equal to 8. What do you get? 15y minus 2x upon 6 is equal to 8. So you get 15y minus 2x is equal to 6 into 8. So you get 15y minus 2x is equal to
48.
48. Okay, now you'll think, अरे सर इकडे x इकडे y काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. Please listen here. y x चा फरक नाही आहे. y see one below the other. You should observe that y च्या खाली y आहे का? Okay आहे. x च्या खाली x आहे का? आहे. Okay, it's not always necessary that x should come first and y should come later. Not at all. You have to check whether they are one below the other. Are you getting my point? Okay, so there is no need to change that. They are already there. So this is now going to be equation 1, which is proper. Similarly, you will say 3 into y plus 2 into 5x, okay, upon 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So you get 3y plus 10x upon 6 is equal to 12. So you get 3y plus 10x is equal to 12 into 6. So you get 3y plus 10x is equal to 12 6 are
72.
This is equation 2. Now you tell me what to be multiplied to get the proper answer. Which
Multiply equation 2 by 5.
Equation 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 ला ना 1 ला 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार ना, म्हणजे 10x आणि minus 10x मिळेल तुम्हाला. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down multiplying equation 1 by 5 to get. Okay. Just let me know when you are done. I have to go to the next page. Should I?
एकच मिनिट सर.
1 minute. Okay.
Answer.
Done? Okay. झालं कीर्ति?
Yes, sir.
आदित्य हो गया क्या?
कर रहा हूँ.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So now what do you get? You get equation 1 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर. So 15 5s are how much?
25.
15 5s are 75y minus 10x is equal to 48 5s are 240. Okay, Kirti, you were saying multiplying equation 2 by 5. That is also correct, but in that case you would what you would do, you would subtract it. बरोबर ना, म्हणजे हे 15 झालं असतं, हे ऑलरेडी 15 आहे. I know what you are thinking. That is also correct. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
in that case you would subtract it. ठीक है. Anyways, so this becomes equation 3. अब क्या करने का, ऐड करना है. Now adding equation 2 and 3. करो ऐड. 75y minus 10x is equal to 240. This is equation 3 plus. Okay, यहाँ पे कौन सा करना है? 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. Okay, sorry, equation 2 है ये. तो ऐड किया तो क्या होगा? ऐड किया तो 10x चला जाएगा. 70 ऐड किया तो साइंस नहीं बदलते. 75y plus 3y is 78y is equal to 240 plus 72 is how much?
310. 12.
Yeah, 312. So y will be 312 upon 78.
4.
Yeah, absolutely 4. Correct. 4 ether. So y will be 4. Once you get y, now it is going to be easy. I would suggest you to put in equation
2.
2. Yeah, that is easy. Correct. So put y is equal to 4 in equation 2 to get. What do you get? 3y. correct, plus 3 into 4 plus 10x is equal to 70. So you get 10x plus 12 is equal to 72. So you get 10x is equal to 72 minus 12. So you get 10x is equal to 60. So x will be 6. Okay, so write down the answer. The solution is, I'll quickly show the second method also. The solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Done?
Yes, sir.
I'll show you another method of doing this. Okay, please see here carefully. Can I write like this first of all? Okay, 5 upon 2. Yeah, okay. Let's say 5 into y upon 2. How will I write? Y into 5 into y upon 2 लिखा मैंने, और ये लिखा 1 upon 3 into x लिखा. ठीक है, कि या x upon 3 लिखा डायरेक्टली, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू 8. हाँ, देखो कैसे लिख रहा हूं मैं. एंड ये y upon 2 ही लिखा, प्लस 5 into x upon 3 is equal to 12. Now what I suggest doing, put y upon 2 is equal to let's say p. ओके, एक कोई अलग वेरिएबल y upon 2 को p बोलो कि कितना इजी हो जाएगा देखो. एंड x upon 3 को q बोलो, तो क्या होता है, इक्वेशन 1 क्या मिलता है देखो. 5 into y upon 2 को p बोला, सो 5p माइनस x upon 3 मतलब q is equal to 8. दिस हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड. देखो एलसीएम निकलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, हो गया. एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन मिलेगा हमको y upon 2 मतलब p प्लस 5 into x upon 3 मतलब 5q is equal to 12. Are you getting this? Now what you can
Yes,
do
sir.
is, now what you can do, you can multiply equation 3 by 5. Okay, multiplying equation 3 by 5, क्या मिलेगा, सेम 25p minus 5q is equal to 40. ओके, ये इक्वेशन लेट्स से 5 बना दिया हमने, और हमको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है, प्लस डायरेक्टली कर देंगे p प्लस 5q इज इक्वल टू 12. इक्वेशन 3 और 5 हमने क्या किया, ऐड कर दिया. So obviously 5q will get cancelled. 25p plus p will be 26p is equal to 52. That means p is equal to 2. 52 upon 26 is 2. अरे ये तो p है, हमारा ओरिजिनल वेरिएबल p था क्या, नहीं था. What is
No,
p?
sir.
p is y upon 2. p 2 है, इसका मतलब y upon 2 2 है, तो y कितना हो गया, 2 into 2 हो गया, so y हो गया 4.
4.
Okay, if p is 2, okay, 5q will be 10, so q will be also 2. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? इक्वेशन 3 से
Yes, sir.
q भी कितना हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा. So q is 2, but what is q, x upon 3? So
X
x
upon
upon 3 is 2, so x will be 2 into 3, so x will be 6. Okay, so do you get the same answers or not? You tell me. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Don't you get the same answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the way you can do, or you can do the traditional way. जो हमने फर्स्ट मेथड देखा वैसे भी कर सकते हो, या ऐसे भी कर सकते हो.